Want to add Google Analytics to your ShopWired store but aren't sure where to start? In this quick video, I'll show you how to seamlessly integrate Google Analytics with ShopWired so you can track your store's performance like a pro. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share an exclusive offer that will give you access to an even better solution, along with a bonus free trial. Let's dive in. First thing you need to do is log into your ShopWired account. Once you're in, head to the Settings section on the left-hand menu. It's important to get to this part because this is where you'll configure everything related to analytics, tracking, and more. Next, click on Advanced Settings. This is the key area where you'll be adding the Google Analytics tracking code. You'll see a number of options, but we're focusing on adding Google Analytics here, so keep your eyes on the relevant section. Now, it's time to grab your Google Analytics tracking ID. Go to your Google Analytics account, click on the Admin button at the bottom of the left sidebar. Under the Property column, click Tracking Info and then Tracking Code. Copy the tracking ID that appears here. It should look something like UXXXXXXXX. Go back to your ShopWired account and paste the Google Analytics tracking ID into the corresponding box. You'll find a section called Google Analytics Code, where you need to input that code you just copied. Make sure you paste it correctly to avoid any issues with tracking. The next thing to keep in mind is to save your changes. After pasting your tracking ID, don't forget to click Save to make sure everything is updated. If you skip the step, your tracking data won't start collecting, and you'll be left guessing about your store's performance. Next, test it. You want to ensure everything is working perfectly, so head over to your Google Analytics dashboard and check if data starts showing up. It usually takes a bit of time, but you should see activity coming through shortly. If not, double-check your tracking code and ensure it was pasted correctly. Now, you're ready to start tracking all kinds of useful data for your ShopWired store. You'll be able to monitor visitor behavior, set goals, track conversions, and much more. This data is key for making data-driven decisions about your store's performance and making improvements where needed. But here's the thing, while ShopWired has a solid setup for adding Google Analytics, you might find it a bit limiting for more advanced e-commerce tracking and integrations. There are other platforms out there that offer more powerful features for tracking and analyzing your store's performance in detail. I'll drop a link in the description for a solution that I recommend for those looking for more robust features. It comes with a free trial and even better flexibility when it comes to tracking e-commerce behavior. Now, as promised, here's the exclusive deal. Through the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Don't miss this opportunity to supercharge your e-commerce analytics game. So, if you're looking for something that gives you more control and insights than ShopWired, check out the link for the best free trial and special perks for our viewers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you start using Google Analytics in your ShopWired store with ease.